Hello everyone, let's talk about the InLine 8P8C ISDN connector cable. This is a 10-meter long RJ45 male-to-male cable designed for ISDN connections. The first thing you notice is the simple black color. It's a standard look, nothing flashy, but it blends in well with most setups. Made in Germany, which often suggests a certain level of quality and precision in manufacturing. The packaging weighs in at 241 grams, and the dimensions are 12.0 by 1.5 by 12.0 centimeters. It's a fairly compact package, easy to store if you have a spare. The InLine cable is from 2017, so it's not the newest tech on the block, but ISDN technology itself is quite established, so a slightly older model isn't necessarily a drawback. What matters is its performance and reliability. The item weight is 0.24 kilograms, so it feels reasonably sturdy without being overly heavy. For those unfamiliar, ISDN cables are used for integrated services digital network connections, which provide digital transmission of voice, video, data, and other network services. While ISDN isn't as common as it once was, it's still used in some specific applications, particularly in professional environments. The 10-meter length is a good balance, providing enough reach for most setups without creating excessive cable clutter. The RJ45 connectors should ensure compatibility with standard ISDN ports. In terms of performance, a good ISDN cable should provide a stable and clear connection. This means minimal signal loss and reliable data transmission. While I can't test the specific performance characteristics without specialized equipment, the Made in Germany label gives some confidence in its build quality. The black color is practical, as it doesn't show dirt easily and blends in with other equipment. The male-to-male connectors are standard, so installation should be straightforward. Just plug it into your ISDN devices and you're good to go. Overall, the InLine 8P8C ISDN connector cable seems like a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable ISDN connection. It's not the most exciting piece of tech, but it's a functional and well-made cable that should do the job. If you still rely on ISDN technology, this cable is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.